everyone, and welcome to today's video. I am joined, if you can see her, just by a special guest over here. That is Polly, one of my dogs. Isn't she beautiful? Bless her. Anyway, today we are doing another BoxyCharm unboxing. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I have filmed one of these for you guys, so let us just jump straight into it. Now, if you guys are wondering, and I'm sorry if you watch this video all the time, but I have to tell you how I get it over here in Australia. I use the service Shopmate. So it is super easy to use. You sign up, it's free to sign up, and basically what they do is they allocate you a US address to have all of your goodies shipped to that US address, and then they will then forward that on to you and your address over here in Australia. The whole process costs about $80 as a collective, so that's $25 paid to BoxyCharm in US dollars, and then I generally pay about $40 Australian dollars in shipping. So the whole lot typically costs me about $80 each month, which I don't mind too much because the value of the products that I do get in each box definitely adds up to that $80 and some. So yeah, overall I don't mind it. It gives me an opportunity to test out brands and products that I otherwise wouldn't normally try. Yeah, that's pretty much why I do it. So unfortunately we don't have anything over here in Australia that I personally feel is as good as what BoxyCharm is over in the States. I don't feel like we have any subscription boxes that really do carry the same kind of value as what the BoxyCharm ones do, and that's why I choose to do it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into this month's theme. So this month here is the January month. As you guys know, obviously this will be going up in February. I am always a little bit late to upload this just due to the shipping time. But yes, usually it gets shipped out about the middle of the month and then I receive it at the end of the month. So that's why I always upload it a month late. But anyway, the theme of this month was a fresh start, which I quite like. And this card just gives you all the information about everything that's inside the box, the cost of the product and things like that. So the very first thing that I can see is a palette. So this is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. Oh, I love that. Did you see how that took me a second to figure out? That is really cute. All right, let's have a look at the shades. I'm feeling like they're of course going to be very olivey and green. So this is what it looks like. So nice. Oop, there goes the little protector. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Okay, not as green as what I was anticipating. Some really beautiful tones in this palette. Oh my goodness. Definitely looking forward to using this. I'm not overly familiar with the Violet Voss formula. I do have a couple of their palettes again that I got through BoxyCharm, and they do look really, really nice, and I do read good things online about them. So I might just have to, get on with it and film a video using them because I am super curious about the formula. But just having a quick look at these, a few of these metallics, they just look absolutely incredible, and these matte shades are really, really beautiful as well. So definitely happy to have received that. Gonna put that to the test for sure. So you guys are aware that one there does retail for $34 US. Okay, so the next item that we have is by Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Ooh. That is exciting. Okay, so I have only ever tried I think it's called the green tea. What is it? It's like a makeup removing balm. It's so good. Obviously by the brand Pharmacy. I really enjoy that product a lot. I think it takes off your makeup really well. I can't seem to open this. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, it takes off your makeup really well. It's actually really hard to purchase over here in Australia. So Sephora do stock it over here in Australia. However, it is always out of stock. I can never find it online, and it's only when I pop into my local Sephora store that I might be lucky and see one on the shelf, which is literally what happened to me last time, and that was at least 3 or 4 months ago. So yeah, it definitely is a very popular item over here. I don't know why it's not kept in stock. It just seems a bit odd. But anyway, this is what the product looks like. Really, really lovely looking packaging. I quite like that. Nice little glass jar. And I just want to have a quick look and smell this if I can. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This smells incredible. This literally smells like pawpaw. It is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, it is a really nice gel kind of consistency. And I really do like moisturizers that are that kind of consistency. I find they're quite light on the skin and they just go on really beautifully and just melt into the skin, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to put that to the test and incorporate that in my skincare routine. That is amazing. I just can't get over how good that smells. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so that one there retails for $38 US. Okay, moving on. We have got, this is a Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. And this is by the brand Seraphine, I think. Seraphine Botanicals. This is what she looks like. I've never heard of this brand before, I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea if you can get this over in Australia or not, but let's just have a look at the product. Oh, okay, cool. So it's in like a nice little tube. Does it have like a little cap thing on there? Yeah, it does. Okay, so that is going to be interesting to use. I really do like little lip masks. I think that they are so great, and I particularly do have really dry lips 90% of the time, much like my skin. So this will be going on my nightstand, and I will definitely be putting this to the test and using this when I go to bed. Now that one there retails for $25 US. Okay, moving on. We have this one here. This is by the brand Trust Fund Beauty, which that's a very cool name. So this one here is, this is a lip gloss. Okay, 2 lip items. Very cool. Okay. Oh wow, look at that shade. Oh my goodness, that's a very, very pretty shade. Now this is called Unprofessional. I love that. Just a basic doe foot applicator, and that is really quite pretty. It definitely does have a bit of pigment to it, nothing too intense, but you know, that is still quite nice. I really like this shade, guys. I think that is a really, really pretty shade. I definitely can see myself using that. And I am somebody that really does enjoy lip glosses. So don't know how the formula is going to go and how it's going to feel, but definitely happy to test it out and try it, especially with that pigmentation. Like, that is just so, so pretty. Now that one there retails at $18 US. All right, guys, so the final thing that we have in our box today is this one here by Avant, I hope I'm saying that right, Avant, whatever. So this one here is a hyaluronic, what are you? Hyaluronic micellar water, okay. It's a hyaluronic acid micellar water. Interesting. Okay, so this one here retails for, I'm sure this is expensive. Yeah, so apparently this retails for $90 US. So that is super duper expensive. I have used a few of these products in the past through the BoxyCharm, and I do really, really like their moisturizer. I think it is beautiful. But yes, very excited to give this a go. Let me just see. So that's what the top looks like unscrewed. I honestly can see myself just applying this onto like a cotton round and using it as a secondary cleanser. I wouldn't use this, like as an example, I wouldn't use this to remove my face right now. I would definitely use this as a second cleanse for sure. But definitely happy to have received that. As I said, I do quite like the brand. All the products I've tested in the past have been quite nice, and it is definitely quite expensive. I'm not too sure whereabouts in Australia this is available, but again, you know, very happy to have received it, and you can definitely see the value there. So having a look at everything in this box, guys, for me personally, definitely the standouts have got to be these two here, definitely. But also very happy to have received this lip mask as well. Very much looking forward to using that. And this palette is just, I mean, these shades really are quite beautiful. So very happy with this month's box. I feel like I did pretty darn well, if I'm being honest with you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this month's box, what you liked out of it, what you didn't like out of it, if there was anything. You guys know I love interacting with you in the comment section, so be sure to drop a comment and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It really does help my channel out a whole bunch. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I really do appreciate your love and support on this channel, and I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.